In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear printer queue on Windows 11. If your printer seems stuck, jobs say printing but never finish, or the same page keeps trying to go out again and again, the print queue is probably jammed. Clearing the queue wipes out those pending jobs so you can start fresh without uninstalling anything. First, open the Windows Settings app. Click the Start button on your taskbar and choose Settings. You can recognize it by the gear icon. This takes you to the main hub where device options live. Next, go to the area that manages printers. In the left sidebar, click Bluetooth and Devices, then select Printers and Scanners. This section lists every printer Windows knows about, whether it's connected by USB, Wi-Fi, or your network. Find the printer you're using and click it to open its details page. If you see multiple printers with similar names, pick the one that matches what you've been printing to. You might also notice a default tag on the primary one you use most often. Now open the actual queue window. Click Open Print Queue. A small window appears showing each pending document, along with its owner, pages, and status. If a job is stuck, you might see messages like error or paused, and that's exactly what we're about to clear. Look to the very top of this queue window for the menu bar. Click Printer to reveal more options that control the queue. From that menu, choose Cancel All Documents. This command tells Windows to remove every item currently waiting to print. If you have important files in there, don't worry, you can send them again after the queue is clean. A confirmation prompt will pop up to make sure you really want to clear everything. Click Yes to confirm. You'll likely see the entries change to deleting and then disappear. For long or large jobs, this may take a few moments. Just let Windows finish. Once the list is empty, the queue is clear. You can close the window and return to your document or application to print again with a clean slate. If Cancel All Documents was grayed out, make sure the queue window is active and that you clicked the printer menu at the top, then try again. That's all it takes to fix most stuck print jobs in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your printer back on track quickly.